Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to escape quotes, marks or double quotes on your spreadsheet on Google Sheets. So the first thing that you have to do is to open your Google Sheets spreadsheet and follow these steps. As you can see, let's for example want to add text by using the formula as a formula like that and add a value. So like uh, if I use the quote marks, it will uh, tell me that is an error. The formula part is error. So to pass these quote marks, and so we can print or show this value or this text with the same quote mark, all we have to add is uh, sorry, all we have to add is double quote mark or apostrophe. As you can see, it will now appear as hello with double quotes. For example, let's make it in a word or a sentence. Now let's add, for example, we will start with the double quote mark. Uh, say uh, we will add like that to everyone. As you can see, it already skipped uh, the quote mark. Let's, for example, want to escape the double quote mark or the apostrophe in case we want to print them. For example, let's do same example, but for example here we want uh, to show the hello thing. As you can see, it is already uncolored, so it will give us an error and the same error. All you have to do is to add other apostrophe uh, that work as a separator or as escaping from the apostrophes. So all you have to do, as you can see now, I can print or show the double quote mark or the apostrophe without any problem. Also, you can use the same method with the formulas and functions if you want to add a value or to add a string that contains some quote mark or apostrophe or whatever you want. So this is how you escape your quote marks or the quotes on Google Spreadsheet. Thank you for watching and goodbye.